This amazing motion graphic film title opener is created using MiniMax new S3 model. Please have a look. Alright, so this amazing motion graphic film title opener I created using MiniMax S3 model. And this 15 seconds motion graphic title opener is end-to-end created using MiniMax H3 model with just a single prompt. So if you want to know how to create it, first subscribe to my channel and let's have a look. Yeah, so this new MiniMax S3 model is live right now and it is claiming that it has some amazing cool features. Like it can create a 2K video of a 15 seconds with all the sound effects and crystal clear text as well. So I checked their website and I have seen that there are so many examples that they have uploaded on it. So this is also one of it which grabbed my attention, that it can create such a cool film opening sequence using a motion graphic. So I really wanted to try this. For that, I opened MiniMax Hub. So this allow me to create 3 15 seconds of video absolutely free. So one of the secret thing is that the projects which are showcased on their website, we don't know what exactly prompt use for it. So after opening this MiniMax Hub, I understand that all those samples are mentioned over here. And now I can see the prompt and all the project settings for that video over here. So what I did, I just copied this prompt and made a few changes inside it. And I'm going to upload some of the different references as well. So let's see how it will create. So over here, as you can see, I'm going to add a note with video. So I'm going to paste a prompt over here in which I did some of the changes. And as I mentioned, I'm going to upload some of the different references. So let's see whether it will create in a similar manner or not. So these are some of the reference images which I collated, and I'm going to upload all of these as a reference. Over here, as you can see, I have selected MiniMax S3 model and I just wanted to create 15 seconds of video. So I selected a 15 seconds option with 2K quality and 16:9 ratio. So let's hit create button and let's see what it will generate. Alright, this video is generated. Let's have a look. Alright, this is so amazing that as you can see, this motion graphic complete video opener is ready with all the music, sound effects in place, with all the motions, and the best part is every text is crystal clear inside this. So definitely it is going to take a lot of time if we create this kind of a sequence inside After Effects, but using MiniMax H3, we can easily create this kind of a motion graphic video openers. So similarly, this MiniMax S3 model has so many different features as well. If you want me to cover any of this feature in next video, please let me know. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till the time, see you in the next video. Thank you.